Bulldozer, come and help me load the dirt.
Uh-oh.
Oh no! The wheel of Bulldozer fell off. You see, this wheel is broken. Trailer, please get a new wheel over. Okay, no problem. Excavator, new wheels arrive. Okay, I'll move the old wheels first. Lift the new wheels off. We put new wheels on the bulldozer. Bulldozer, you can drive up to have a try.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, the new wheel is broken again. Had to tow back to the repair shop. We lifted Bulldozer onto the trailer. Trailer loaded. Almost forgot, there is a tire. All installed. You can go.